Hi friends, today I'm going to show some exercise related to basic abdominal reductions, something like reducing belly fat. It may be moderately easy exercise you can do. I'll show how to do it. I'll show 2 to 3 sets how to do. Total 5 or 6 sets are there. So I'll give you the description and I'll tell you one by one. Let's start. First one is first basic exercise is reducing a belly fat. These are mountain climbers which I prefer, and then I'll go with the in mountain climbers itself. There is 3 variations of that, and I'll go with the third set as a Russian fish, and then fourth one is uh, like a fourth or fifth one is leg in and out exercise. Finally, it will be a holded crunch pose for 30 seconds. These are all very simple exercises, relatively simple exercises, and very effective exercise to reduce the belly fat. So let us start. I'll show 2 to 3 sets, then you can proceed. I'm not going to do it for a stretch. For each set, you can start with 20, 20, 20, 20. You can mention like that. Depends on your, if you won't feel that much tired, you can increase the count 30, 25, 30, 40. You can increase the count. Depends on your, you are completely exhausted or something like that. If you have a, still you have some energy to do, means you can increase. You can do it twice, set wise, like circuit wise, like complete one set, and then again you can start one more set, you can start one more set, something like that. I prefer like at least do 20 sets for each form, so it will be very much beneficial. If you have still energy, you can repeat this circuit, 2 to 3 circuits you can do. So let us start. First one is mountain climbers regular pose. You need to be like seeing this. You take the shoulder width and you come into the plank pose, upper high arm plank. You start doing it. Initially you start slowly like this, and then slowly you can increase the speed. This is inside view. I'll show you how to do it. It looks like this. So this is the first exercise, and the second one is in plank itself. You come in the high arm plank, and then you should take some bit excess width than regular mountain climbers, and you do it in cross way like this. Left leg should come up to almost right side knee. Left knee should almost touch the elbow like that. You do it like this, and I'll show in the other way. It looks like this. So this is the second set. You do it like this, and the third one is almost same. Do this one. Come like this. Cross. I'll show a bit. I'll go a bit back. Come up to here, and this like this. This is the cross. I'll show the same from side view so that it will be easy for you. So you need to bring up the leg to here, and you need to cast leg towards left side, right one. Now like this. This is 20 sets you need to do like this, and these all mountain climber variations are completed. Now I'll show you the leg in and out exercises. Basically, so you need to sit in a relaxed posture like this, and then you lean backwards. You can start with one leg like this. Do this for 20. Concentrate on abs. Once you completed 20, you can do both legs together like this. So you don't put it down. The legs should be on upside only, like I'll show you this. Yes, like this. This you need to do 20 sets. So it is very much effective exercise because it is concentrating. The pressure will be here on abdomen. This is one of the best exercises to reduce belly fat. And I'll show another exercise you need to do. Russian twist. Keep the legs here and lift the legs up. You need to touch right side, left side grounds. In this pose, you need to do it 20. So these are Russian twists. Initially, you can, if you don't find the balance in it, you can keep the legs down only. And maintain the momentum. Lean back towards it. Feel the pressure on abdomen like this, and then touch the ground. You keep in the same way. Showing from the side like this. So you do it 20. This set also 20. And the final one is the whole plank exercise. I'll show you. Sit in the relaxed posture like this, and then hold your legs. Bit hold like this. You can catch the knees. You can catch the hey! You can catch the knees. You need to hold that like this until the arm stretch. You can keep like this. So it should create some pressure here. Until that you can. And then you need to put like this, and you need to hold this position for 30 seconds. If you're not feeling that much stretch, you lean backwards so that it will create a abdominal shake. You can feel a shaking sensation here. So you need to be like a V shape, almost like this. Okay. So this is side view. So you need to hold like this for 30 seconds. If you're able to do more than that, that will be really very much good. And I'll show the same posture in this straight way. Like, you can keep the legs down only, there is no issue. I'll extend up to here. It depends on how much pressure you are feeling here. You need to lean back and V shape, almost like that. It should not be like almost. You can keep like this and keep hold this position for 30 seconds. So you will feel some shaking sensation here. This is the advantage. And there is one more variation in the same exercise. You can keep this legs together like this. And in yoga it's a Bhadrasana. In this pose you can be, and then you hold like this. This is another variation. And this holding pose, holding crunch pose. So what is the difference between the previous hold and this one is, if you are keeping like this, it will there will be a V type of cut will be there, the nerves. So I don't know exact naming what they call. It will reduce the lower belly fat.
especially in between the groin area. If you feel more, then if you are holding like this, and you will feel bit sensation here as well, but main focus it should be on abdominal region only. You hold like this and then lean back. How much you can go? There is no need of exactly it should be like this. You can do some stretching and whatever you want, but this pressure should be, you should increase uh, second by second. Okay, so these are all the very good exercises for reducing the belly fat. So hope you like it. Go practice, and as I told you already, all sets 20 sets you need to do, all shown exercise variations. Only the last plank, it should be like some 30 to 40 seconds minimum you need to do. If you're doing it for 1 minute, that's a really great thing. All the best.